Hello, everyone. It's yours truly, AI, which stands for Anonymous Inspect, because I inspect to get respect upon real knowledge that is proven validation. So today's topic is on how child support is unconstitutional and what it means to actually be unconstitutional. So let me get my disclaimer. Not saying don't take care of your child. Take care of your child in the best way that you feel needed and responsible for. Okay? So let's get started. Child support is totally unconstitutional and it infringes on the rights of the family association. When a bill is deemed unconstitutional, it is stated that child support or any unlawful bill cannot be enforced by law. So let me go back over that again. Child support is totally unconstitutional and it infringes on the rights of the family association. When a bill is deemed unconstitutional, it is stated that child support or any unlawful bill cannot be enforced by law. When any bill is deemed unconstitutional, it acts directly to violate the Constitution of the United States of America. The Supreme Court ruled on a Monday that the nation's welfare laws do not give the court federal right to government help in obtaining the payments that are owed. 51.US 702 in parentheses 1991 states this, that the Constitution specifies that the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment protects the fundamental rights of the parents for direct care and upbringing of the child, which means it's an A and B conversation. So C your way out of it, because it's D. Nothing you can do about it. But E, thanks for putting in effort. But F, they failed. So child support infringes on the Assembly Bill of 1058 AB 1058, Family Code 17400 ET. The elements found in 42 USC 1983 are the actions that occurred under the color of law. 2. The action resulted in the deprivation of the constitutional rights or federal statutory right. Long v. County of Los Angeles. 442 F 3rd 1178, 1185 in parentheses the Ninth Circuit Court in 2006, citing this case with West v. Atkins 487 U.S. 4248 in parentheses 1998, section 242 of the Title 18 makes it a crime for a person acting under any color of law to willfully deprive a person of a right or privilege that is protected by the Constitution or the laws of the United States. Title 18 U.S.C. Section 242, as stated, whoever under color of any law, state ordinance, regulation, or custom willfully subjects person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any right, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States, or to different punishments, pains, or penalties on account of such person being an alien, or reason of his color or race, religion, than are prescribed for the punishment of the citizens, they shall be fined under this title, which is Title 18 Criminal Code, or imprisoned not more than 1 year for acting like child support is law and practicing law under deception. So with that being said, because the Constitution is the source of any law, any and everything that is unconstitutional is also illegal by law. Statutes are laws, so anything that is contrary to a statute is illegal. Since child support is unconstitutional, that means it is very well illegal, which means also it is not law. So anything that's not law cannot go into practice, and if so, it's meaning they're imposing a threat upon you, meaning trying to govern you, trying to practice deceit upon you, knowing the right laws is not in place to actually uphold a claim that's verified through child support to actually say that you've broken the law. Because if you haven't paid in child support, it doesn't mean you've broken the law, because it's not unconstitutional. And also, one question that I had asked was this: can the court or child support prove that they have an accusatory instrument that could be presented that I have broken the law, or that anybody on child support broken the law? Is child support taking out a loan in my name? What law gives the courts and child support agency legal authority over me? And if they cannot prove this, that's when you have to protect yourself with rights. Meaning, I conditionally accept your offer to refuse upon proof of claim that I have broke the law for a charging instrument to be charged in court, if you understand what I'm saying. So can you bring me the accusatory instrument that's stating that I have broke a law? So if they cannot prove that I have broken the law and prove that child support is law, or prove their grounds on the accusatory instrument that can be presented, then I conditionally accept the offer to refuse upon proof of claim of lack of proof of claim of the verified instrument that's not verifiable, but that's not verified at the present moment. So with that being said, yes, child support is unconstitutional.